Hello everyone, this is singer-songwriter, poet, general writer Sean C. Harrison coming to you out of Red Hills Pen, Morant Bay, St. Thomas, Jamaica with another dialect piece, another patois piece that is really a conversation between God and I about the state of things, the state of affairs in our country and in our world today. I hope that with this piece it will bring or spark a new level of consciousness in our people, especially our men who are perpetrating crimes against our children, our women, and our elderly, to know that there is a God who is looking down and that we are going to be held accountable for every action, whether it is good or bad. Let us really use this piece as a wake-up call to know that the time is now for positive change and for doing what is right in the sight of God and man. Me soon come. Lord, me know you're not blind, but you not see it's about time. This world we live in are no nice. And for the you tell me hold me have to think twice. Take time, me know things bad, me son. But wait now. Hear this, me soon come. But Jesus, you know see them all a kill innocent little pitney. Me soon come, man. Listen and stay with me. But what about all the war and commotion? Me say me soon come, them a full up them portion. When me look on TV and all them a show a naked king for all baby see, then there's something not downright sin. And when you go just trust me and just calm down. Me not tell you one thing already, me soon come. But no Lord, be enough people through the ages been waiting out of patience and we are hitched for talk for we can't strive for we conscience. But when you hear all police I say, boy, I may love my life. Me only concern I'm a picnic them and my wife. What them expect civilian to do? When shut a fire and them a duck and chuck for cover too. Me say government no have not a way for turn. But I will remind you of one thing. Look up, me soon come. But Jesus Christ, make me a call me own name. For you not listen me good, your stubborn is a shame. Nobody knows like me all a war gone. And the time is here when I go and have to mash some people can. Make me tell you one thing you must always try to remember. And stop get yourself in a them the kind of temper. However bad this earth running from long time did I get. You think them a pagan you see nothing yet. You see through time how much good people me send to one instruct and them kill them and them friend. It now go pretty when the plague them drop and down to baby pan titty. Then go and beg to cover up underneath the ground. Tap worry yourself plain and straight. Me soon come. But you see while mercy did they wait, the cry for enough of them go and be too late. God, me know where you are say, but look how much time them a get blind. So true, my son. And most of them not even not try. And our sister do a whole heap of years since me promise for come already gone. So much people dead and every day baby are born. Enough of them after them 310 pound this earth done. At that time them are going to realize but Jesus Christ God come. So you know make way all of the wicked people are do and disaster come twep. Be no surprise to you. Cause all who are carry on with every manner of crap will know I am the beginning, and sure as hell, when no forgo, I am, and there will be the one big full stop. Thank you.